Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to deposit money in Pocket Option using UPI. So let's get started. First things first, you want to log into your Pocket Option account. Then from here, you want to click on Finance. Then you want to choose Deposit. Then from here, you'll see several options under Bank or Popular, and there should be UPI here. But as you can see, it's not available on my end because I'm not from India. But here's how it looks like. So from here, just go ahead and click on UPI. Then you want to enter the amount. If you can also have, well, if you have a promo code, you want to take the I have a promo code box and enter it. If not, just leave it unchecked. After that, type in your first and last name, then hit continue and pay. You will be redirected to the payment page where it might take a few seconds to load. But once it's ready, you'll see a QR code on your screen. Just simply open your UPI app like Google Pay or Google Pay and then scan the QR code to make the payment. After completing the transaction, just go back to Pocket Option and click I have paid. And that's it. You've successfully deposited money into your Pocket Option using UPI. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.